la la. Previously saw. Previously saw. Oh my god. Previous on this. Oh yeah. Want to say magic trick? Now's not the time for magic tricks, buddy. What did you just say? I said now's not the time for magic tricks. We're in trouble right now. You should ask something else. Okay, fine. I'll stop looking at you. Let me sleep without you looking at me. Can I get this arm off? Well, let's just pop this out. Brick wall. Oh my god, I forgot that's no clip. I mean, covered in there. This thing is 10 times stronger. No one can ever break it. That's great idea, actually. Nah, nobody can break it. So now on, I'm gonna have to keep it fast before we go. But where do we go if they're camping at that? Well, of course, we both jump back out the window like idiots and try to make our escape, but do not just injure yourself. Otherwise, I have to carry you all the way back to somewhere on the other hospital. Hopefully, there was a zombie spreading. Started first, so that could be our only way. Okay, then. Heal me fast. Okay. How's bandages? Magic. Whatever. Why on my throat? I don't know. Oh wait, I'm already healed. Okay, it's time to get out of here. Alright, nice. Finally free. And finally. Snit. What? You said that control for learn. Better look behind you. So my plan worked. Oh my god, I didn't know that nurse had so much gym. Shouldn't let her get it. But anyway, surprise. Holy. Okay, it's not door bricks anymore. It's not all of the bricks. I think zombies all have gym things. I don't think so, but it's probably how they're built. Did one of them just lose their arm? Come on, do the plan. Oh wow, I forgot to turn on these little wire things, but it's too funny. There's no way you can't. Okay, hold up. What have I done? Bro. Also, bro. Hospitalized. I am asking you. Since winning the war, did place another ones. I ended up with safe. Right. I told you, now the gym has been over. So as you were saying. Well, at least the nurse cannot do that. Cannot handle that part. Now quickly, let's jump out of the window before that nurse gets us next. Would you get on top of me? Because I don't want you to get injured again. We're out of bandages. Okay. Yeah! Since when did the flash again? I don't know. I don't know where did you guys get out there. Leave the hospital with me. The zombies out there. Okay. What can I trust you, Dad? Nope. No thanks. Fine. Do it yourself. Come on, let's just go. Oops. She actually just serious, so I'll just go with them. But you gotta wait for the patient to be healed. It's not my patient, but I'm still going. Oh. Wait, man, that's my patient. Wait, the patient's at the bathroom still. What the I guess I changed my mind. Yeah, you did that on purpose. Sorry. No. Anyway, you wanna drive my Jeep? You don't have a Jeep. So as you were saying. Okay, whatever, just get inside. And me, where am I supposed to sit? I don't know. What the fuck? Oh my god. Please stop. Oh my god. Let's cut this part. I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop laughing. Okay, oh my god. Let's just pretend that this happened. I actually broke the door. Now I actually opened the ad now. Oh my god, it's too hilarious. Let's just pretend you did not see that. Hold up, let me fix it after this thing.